Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nikki Drew. Yes, you heard me right. This is my first video as Nikki Drew and not Monique Flemings. Don't get me wrong, Monique Flemings is obviously my name, but I will do a separate video explaining why I've changed my name. Alright guys, so today's video we're going to be reviewing the Kylie and Jordyn collection that just came out. I recently purchased this collection and I'm just going to show you guys the products that I got, how they work on me, and just kind of what I feel about it. If you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So as you guys can see, I went and did my base, and if you guys want to know what foundation and concealer that I use, I can just comment. If you ask me, you know, I'm a human. I talk back. I do like the fact that it does, oh, don't look at my dress, bitch. That it does come in this pink box. I think that's so cute. It comes in this hot pink box. So you see that it has Kylie and my nails match. I was able to get 3 things from the collection. I didn't get all of the lipsticks, but I got one. They were sold out. I ordered as soon as I can, as soon as my money allowed me to. I spent my own money on this, of course, as we always do on this channel. It's a very small channel. I'm working towards getting on this PR list, guys. I swear. Okay, 2019, I'm gonna put it into the universe. 2019, I will be getting PR packages from Kylie Cosmetics. Boom, there you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and play in all the stuff that I have, and I'm gonna shut up and just get right into this tutorial. I'm gonna guess that the palette is actually called Kylie and Jordyn, not Kylie Hearts Jordyn, because it's just like I'm just guessing the heart just substitutes as an and. The packaging to me was like part of the main reason that I got this palette. I'm not gonna lie, like this packaging was so bomb and innovative. I just thought it was like really cute. I'm also gonna keep this. So here is the palette. So she comes with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 shades, and I will do swatches at the very end of the video if you guys want to stay tuned for that. Alright, so I'm gonna be taking MAC 224. Yep, right. I didn't even look at it. Yep, it's MAC 224. What else would it be? Who else would it be to be watching the show? People know who the F is. I'm a prep. Okay, stop. First of all, I was about to apply this eyeshadow without no primer. I'm done. I'm done with myself. Like, I'm canceled. I feel like I'm the only person on earth left using eyeshadow primer. Like, everybody got on this concealer wave, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm on it as well. Like, sometimes I get on the train, sometimes I get off, but it's just because I still own eyeshadow primer, and I'm one of those people that, like, if I bought it, I'm gonna use it. And I'm gonna go into this shade Wife Life. These shade names are really cute. Like, shout out to Kylie for always having, like, what? I didn't expect that to be so pigmented. I actually like thought this was gonna be like a cute little, you know, like barely there shade. This bitch, what the? I put on way too much as well. Like, it was supposed to be in my crease, and I put it all over my lid. So there you go. Welcome to my channel. We're a hot mess, and this is how it's gonna be until further notice. We'll keep you updated. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go into Peru, which is just this deep burnt orange right here. I'm going to go in with a more precise brush. This is an E45 from Sigma. Do you guys see there's some fallout that just occurred? So I'm like putting banana powder there. This is coming together. This is actually really easy to work with, and it's blended out. Like, the colors blend together pretty cute. Okay, but there was some pretty much fallout on the Peru shade, and there's fallout again right on my nose. Fallout doesn't really bother me. It just means that your shadow's really pigmented. Never seen bad shadows have fallout. Like, I've never seen a shadow that I just can't get the color to pay off have fallout. Like, you know, those really stiff, really pressed really hard. I'm just saying. Okay, so fallout to me just means that the color payoff is there and is going to show up just more vibrant. So I don't mind fallout. Okay. Okay, so I have cut my crease, which is always just like this terrifying thing for me. I am torn between these 2 shades, torn between Ride or Die, and I also like the shade Loyal. This is Loyal and Ride or Die, and Loyal is just like this super gold, and this one is copper, and I just love them both. I think I'm gonna go with Loyal just because it's just so freaking pretty. That's so pretty. Wow. So this is just like with the brush. I'm gonna go ahead and spray with some Fizz Plus to see like you know, how it looks when it's kind of wet and damp. Oh my god, that's so gorgeous. Wow. That is gorgeous. Like, I'm gonna go into a sister right here, and I'm just gonna kind of go over where I cut just to kind of blend it out so it's not this big rough, you know, hello line. So I just did the same thing on this side where I just took this bullet brush and I just outlined where I cut my crease. Okay, so we can get right into the highlighter palette. Now this highlighter palette is $40. It has a shade called No New Friends, Inseparable, Best Life, and Together Forever. These shade names, like, they need an award for like just best shade names. This is Inseparable, I believe. Okay, this is No New Friends. This is Together Forever. I got that all over my knuckle. What a botched swatch. So that was Best Life. The lavender one is Best Life. This is Together Forever. I'm just gonna throw that right. I'm gonna go into Inseparable. This is pretty. Okay. You know, in the pan it looks copper, but on my skin it's actually coming up as like champagne. But, you know. Let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and put Best Life over her. Oh, now that's beautiful. That's gorgeous. Okay, Best Life is giving me my best life. That's a game changer. Like, that's gorgeous. She needs to get blended out. Don't come for me just yet. No, don't do it, please. I'm living my best life. Ain't no doubt for nothing, baby. I'm living my best life. I'm gonna use my finger. I'm gonna go into Best Life and highlight the ridge of my nose and the pointy part of it as well. Oh, okay, that looks so much easier on Instagram. Whoa, oh my god, that's a game. Like, damn, Gina, my nose looks so highlighted. Like, whoa. This is disrespectful. Alright, lately my favorite blush palette is the NARSISSIST Wanted To palette. Look how pretty this is, girl. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into these two. And then I'm gonna put some blush between my bronzer and my highlighter. Cute. Oh my god, this is really pretty actually. So I'm gonna go back into the palette, and I don't know what this highlighter palette is called either. It's just called like Kylie and Jordyn, I guess. Alright, so I'm gonna go into No New Friends. This is the only shade that I haven't tried on my face. Ooh, look how blinding that is. That's crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and take No New Friends because I wanted to try them all because I'm that bitch. But I'm gonna take No New Friends and highlight my corner eye, my inner corner eye. Oh, she's really stunning. She's stunning. I'm gonna take Best Life. And I'm gonna just highlight my lip. Look how extra I am. Like, sis, can't take you nowhere. I'm finally gonna get into the lipstick. I got the shade Partner in Crime. Well, I can't find Chestnut, so I'm gonna go into like my Morphe dupe, which is Bar by Morphe. I am looking so stroby right now. It's disgusting. Okay. She's cute, right? Ooh. Ooh. gonna add some more. Okay, so this is all I have from the collection, so I'm just gonna literally spray some setting spray. I'm using Morphe, don't at me. Alright, it's a wrap. So this is it. This is the final look that I have, and I mean, honestly, this is pretty much a really good look. Like, I love it. I gotta say, I think it's really cute, and it's actually very neutral. It's not doing too much. I thought I was gonna do a purple look today, but I'm happy I didn't, because this highlighter palette, it's actually really cute for like these copper peachy colors. I'm gonna go into the highlight part because I just used it and have a lot to say about it. This is so cute. Like, adorable, right? Adorable. Like, I'm living for this. I don't think that I've seen like a packaging that I've been in love with ever. Like, I've never seen a packaging that I love so much. I do wish that it actually did come with a name, like the actual palette itself. It just has like Kylie Heart Jordyn on it, or Kylie and Jordyn, and I get it. Like, if it's just called Kylie and Jordyn because the collection is called Kylie and Jordyn. But in the makeup community, it's easier for me to know the name of the palette, because if the palette and the highlighter palette are called Kylie and Jordyn, what do I tell my followers? Like, what do I tell my subscribers that I'm using? It's just, you just break the internet, okay? You need to have structure. So I'm being sarcastic. Please understand that. I won't be reaching for that every day. I really don't see myself doing it. But this palette right here, no, this is a banger. This is actually really cute. I only use like 4 colors in it, but I mean, this gold is to die for. Like, I just love my eyes right now. Like, I love my eyelids. I have 2 of them. Okay, I think they were very blendable. They worked well with each other. They sat on top of each other very well. I did use 4. Let me see, how many colors did I use? I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I used 5 colors, and they did not F up the whole look when you start like packing. A lot of times with these palettes, when you start packing on colors, they start to kind of give up. They clock out early and they just kind of leave you in the dust. But this one, they all worked really well together, which I feel like they should. Like, why would your palette not work well with the colors in your palette? Don't know. I like the gloss. Honestly, I just feel like everything was pretty cool. I really like this look. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Tell me what you think about this look. I feel like this is really pretty, and I'm happy I put on lashes. I never put on lashes, but I was kind of like, you know what, for a Kylie video, I'm gonna go ahead and glue down my wig, glue down some lashes, glue down some nails. Like, I tried today for Kylie because I was like, I like her, and if God be it that she watched my video, she not about to catch me on my off day. Alright, so this is gonna be the final look. Once again, if you guys like this look, comment below. If you don't like it, let me know. Tell me what you guys think about all the products and all the stuff that I said. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed week. Blessed be the few. I need to go. All right. See you guys in the next one. Bye.